Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create passkey on WhatsApp. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. From here, you need to click on account, and here you need to click on passkeys. Click on create a passkey, and here you can see we'll use for WhatsApp. Click on continue. So here you need to click on use screen lock. So here you need to enter your pattern. So I'm going to use this one. So here you can see that this will be used to verify your account. So your passkey is created. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.